Simon's is one of the oldest donkeys here.
I did not know that.
Well, now you do. Simon is the oldest donkey here. He's been here for a very long time. That's just a garbage man.
Okay.
It's nothing to worry about. What we're doing is nothing wrong. They won't say nothing.
Okay.
Me and your dad has already been in the barn. We're allowed in the barn. Because we already been in the barn.
Yeah. For a second, I thought it's something else. Screaming.
Right. They also got a covered bridge here. They'll be coming that way if somebody was here. But yeah. Here's the historical home of that barn. If you guys want to learn more about it. 1860, that little girl was born. Mary was born. He'll give you the timeline when everything was built here. Sorry about the noise, that's just a garbage truck. We came here during the week so we can get this, and we needed to walk around anyway, right?
Right.
Now watch, Simon will come out, watch, when we get to the barn. But yeah, that white house right here, right there, that's part of the house, which somebody lives there, right?
Right.
So we can go into the nature center, but we're allowed in the barn, as long as you don't screw everything up. But see, there's the road that you can see it from. See all these cars? But yeah, here's the barn. But yeah, that's the road, 183 Union Avenue, or Union Street, I mean. But yeah, here's where all the other animals are. I think they're still sleeping. Yeah, there they are. There's the cat, the sheep.
Oh, hey, sheep.
Okay, here's your names.
Okay.
Okay, so, oh, they changed his name. Pedro.
Pedro.
Nope, Simon's still here. See, they don't have Lily. Lily's right there. They did have a cow here once. Oh.
So,
But yeah, there's the donkey. There's the little donkey.
the little donkey's name is, Major Donkey. Simon.
I'm sorry I got your name wrong. They keep changing it on you. But yeah. And there's the goat. Right now they're just chilling out.
Yeah.
They already did their morning runs.
Yeah.
You know, they're just chilling out. Oh, Pedro's moving. Oh, looks like he's going outside. He's hiding. I don't think he likes